Hello, top-notch kids! Welcome back to another exciting episode. I hope you're delighted to have me here, as I am to have you all. My name is Tr.Lillian, and I'm happy to see you all. Today, we will venture in the world of articles. Articles are words used to show the presence of a noun. There are three articles: a, an, and the. A is used with a non-specific noun. Example: bring for me a dress. Any dress would do. Look for a box. Any box can work. The is used with specific nouns. Example: the house that was on fire. The house we are speaking about, it's none other than that which was on fire. The car that carried the president. The car we are speaking about, it's the specific car that carried the president. An is used with non-specific words that start with a vowel. Example: I love an apple. An eagle can fly very high. A noun is a word that identifies an idea. Example: an invention. A place, for example, a town, or the name of a person. Mother, Jane, or Mark. A thing, example, a car, a box, a jug. Examples of nouns in a sentence: I love reading storybooks. Which is the noun here? Very good. Storybook is a noun of a thing. Example 2. She works in the hotel. Which is the noun here? Hotel. Awesome! Hotel is a noun of a place. Example 3. My father works in the UK. A sentence can have more than one noun. Which are the nouns in our sentence? There are two nouns here. Father, which shows the noun of a person, and UK, which shows the noun of a place. Good job! I have a big car. Car is a noun of a thing. Great job, top-notch kids. You're the best. Thank you all for joining us in today's episode. It was great having you around. Keep practicing to make your grammar better. Subscribe to this informative channel and always like our videos. Until next time, Bye-bye. And remember, you're a top-notch kid.